Given that x into bracket x plus a equals to ab, make a the subject of the formula. Hence, find a when x equals to 5 and b equals to half. Solution. So the first part of the problem, we're asked to make a the subject of the formula. So we have x is equals to ab, s into bracket s plus a equals to ab. Now, the first thing to do is to expand the bracket. By expanding the brackets, x times x, we have x squared. X times a, we have what? xa or ax is equals to ab. Now, the next thing for us to do is to collect like terms. By collecting like terms, we can see that ax and ab, they are like terms because a is common to them. So in this case, we can write s squared equals to what? By transferring ax to the right hand side, we have ab minus ax. So in this case, we have s squared equals to what? We can see that ab and minus ax. Looking at ab and ax, what is the common factor? The common factor is a. Then we factorize. We are going to use this a to divide each term here. As divided by a also. Then we put the common factor outside. So s squared equals to what? A into bracket a1, 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 a1 into bracket b minus x. Don't forget, make a the subject of the formula. So in this case, what is the next thing to do? The next thing to do is to make a the subject by dividing both sides by the coefficient of a. What is the coefficient of a? B minus x. So we divide both sides by b minus x. So we have a into bracket b minus x divided by b minus x. Now b minus x here 1, b minus x here 1. So it means that a equals to s squared divided by b minus x. That is the solution to the first part of the problem. The second part of the problem states that hence find a when x equals to 5 and b equals to half. So when x equals to 5 and b equals to half, it means that anywhere you see x, you put 5. We have 5 squared here divided by what? What is b? Half. Minus what is x? 5. So simplifying, we have a to be equals to what is 5 squared? 5 times 5, that's 25. Then simplifying the denominator, what do we have? This is like 5 over 1. And the LCM of 2 and 1 is what? Is 2. So in this case, 2 divided by 2, what do we have? That is 1. 1 times 1, we have 1. Minus 2 divided by 1, we have 2. 2 times 5, we have what? 10. So simplifying, we have a equals to 25 divided by, what do we have here? 1 minus 9. 1 minus 10 rather. That is minus 9 divided by 2. Now, this division line we are seeing here is now division symbol here. And for this, 1 minus 10, that is minus 9. Then divided by 2. Now, we have a to be equals to what? 25 times that is changing division to multiplication, the denominator will become the numerator. We have 2 divided by minus 9. So the next thing for us to do is to simplify further. Now, 25 times 2, what are we having? That is 50. Then, what do we have here? We can write this as 25 over 1. 25 times 2, 50, numerator multiply numerator. Denominator multiply denominator. 1 times minus 9, that is minus 9. So A equals to minus 50 divided by 9. Now, how many 9 can we see in 50? We know that 9 times 5 is 45. So 9 times 5 is 45. So we can see how many 9 in 50? That is 5. So we have minus 5 whole number. Then 9 times 5, 45. Take away 45 from 50. What is the remainder? 5. So minus 5 whole number, 5 over 9 equals to A. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.